What's up, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. I'm Jamie, and today is that time again of the month where me and the Makeup Mafia, well, the Makeup Mafia makes a monthly look. This month we decided we were gonna go ahead, do something simple and, you know, kind of a little bit Halloween appropriate, I guess. But for me and Nona, probably like every day appropriate. But anyways, we're gonna do a gothic type look. So if you like that, then just stay tuned. Okay, so today I'm gonna start out with my eyes. I already have them taped off. I'm gonna go with the ColourPop Smoke Show. So it's basically, looks like that. It's a real nice palette. Yeah, we're just gonna start off with the eyes and do what we normally do. So I'm gonna go in first with Slated. It's a gray. I'm just gonna start right here, putting it all the way out like that, and then kind of go, I don't want to start out with black yet. I thought I was gonna, but then once I saw that, I was like, no, we'll start off with that. We'll see what that looks like. And I'm mad at it. So far, so good. And I want it to look snatched back here like that. Sorry if you can hear my neighbor's truck. He is so noisy. And then I'm going to go in with Let's Do It. Black. What are you doing? Shadows in here. Just being weird, sniffing around. So I kind of just put that over that so that black isn't like so harsh. And I'm gonna okay, so sorry about the truck outside, loud as hell, and the chainsaw. I don't know. It could be Leatherface coming to get me, but I don't care. I don't care. But anyways, it seems like that didn't start until I got in here, and it's like so annoying. How do they know? Every single mother effing time I try to come in here, they be out there like that. But oh well. We'll just pretend like they don't exist, right? So I got the base of that on. And what I think I'm gonna do is take this really kind of light gray. It's called Stone Face. Kind of blend it out. Just to make sure it ain't harsh anywhere. I think this one needs to go up more. Don't they know I'm doing videos? I mean, do everybody not know that I am a YouTube sensation? Just kidding. Just kidding. Do they look even? Yeah, pretty much. Okay, so blend out. And yeah, I'm gonna do the black and silver type look. So which one do I want to use? Well, they're all pretty. Should we go the conventional way? That is Starstruck. This one is Smokin'. And this one is Full Metal. Kind of like Full Metal. Whoops, what did I do? I don't know. Whatever. They're all pretty. I'm gonna decide right now. Let's go with Full Metal. Has a little bit like kind of a, it almost has like kind of a pink. I don't know. All of these are so pretty. This is a pretty palette. It really is. I'm gonna go with full, wait, I can't decide. Yeah, let's go with Full Metal. And I'm just gonna put it on with my finger. Okay. Now I got black all over my hands. Let me clean it up with a makeup wipe here. Things never go right, I swear. I don't care. I'm going to use all 10 of these and just throw them in the trash. I get most of my wipes that I keep in here from the Dollar Tree. So, whatever. Okay, so I wasn't going to put on a color, but I'm going to get out the Wired palette and look and see if there's something I want in here. Kind of no. Not really. Oh no. What about the Best Life palette? Do I want to put a color or not is what I'm trying to decide. I'm indecisive. Should we put purple? Nah. I kind of wanted red, but I don't want to have to go search for a red. There might be a red in here. Yeah, there's a red. Let's put that red. I'm just going to... Looks crazy, really crazy. Oh, also I'm going to take, no, not that one. My fingernail is like falling off. What the hell? I have the shittiest fingernails of life. Go back into this smoke. Put it on the inside. Okay. This fingernail is driving me insane. Let's take this off. The Star-Crossed Colors Get Out the Black Gel Liner. Or should I do red? Let's do red. Let's go ahead and do red. Might as well go the whole 9. Kind of red burgundy. I have like a reddish pink, but I like this one better. This right here, get that red again. I gotta fix this. This looks crappy right here. Okay, so let's see here. I'm gonna do a wing. I'm gonna take the Dagger Tattoo Liner by Kat Von D and do a wing, so. Okay, And let's see, for liner, I'm gonna do Lash Freak. Can't get it open. Okay, so just every time I talk, he thinks I'm talking to him, so he's gonna get up and be noisy, so whatever. The show must go on. I'm gonna use the Shade and Light for my contour bronzer. Will you sit down? Can you? Could you possibly? And go into this one here. And I'm not gonna put blush on because with Goth, you wanna look kinda dead. You know? You don't want to look like the bright, cheery-faced whatever. You want to look kind of dead. The living dead girl. That's what I am. Let's make that nose skinnier. Because God knows it could use it. And I'm going to take some of the okay, and I'm going to take what I put my foundation on and make sure this is buffed in. Doesn't look. And let's see, I'm going to put on highlighter because just because you're dead doesn't mean you can't have highlighter on, right? Hey, shut it up. So we're gonna go on with Glazed Donut by Ofra. I'm gonna kind of just put it on all over here, and that's good. Stop. Let's see. I'm gonna make sure my lips are clean, and I'm gonna put on this Everlasting Glimmer Veil in. Oh, I can't see it. Wizard. So it's a black. Tart Maracuja. He's got me in a mood. He really does. This is the final look. Make sure you go down in the description box and follow all the Makeup Mafia ladies. They'll be doing an Gothic look also. So that is it for today. Hopefully you like this video. Me and my dog being, oh my God, wanting to scream. But anyways, thank you for watching. Make sure you like this video. Make sure you leave me a comment and follow all my social medias. And I'll be back probably this week or next week with another Halloween look. So thanks for watching. Bye.